Hey everyone, Tom here. Now we've heard some people say that you can't service your dosatrons on site, and that simply isn't true. Today, we're here to talk about some of the options we have and go over specifically the rebuild kit. Now we do have kits for a wide range of our units, and this here for the rebuild kit is one of those that basically covers the upper and lower areas of your D14 injector. Now, like I said, this is available for all of our D14 units, and we do have instructions that are in English and in Spanish for the customer to follow. We also have walkthrough videos as well as downloadable instructions that you can get right to your phone so that you can work on the unit where it's installed. Again, if you do want to send your unit in to us, you always can, and we do have experienced technicians on site to help with those repairs and estimates. If you have any questions about the kits or about maintaining your unit, feel free to give us a call or shoot us a message, and thanks for watching.